Hi friends, welcome to Guru Gyanam. It's all about home science and today's topic is fashion cycle. It is a part 2 of fashion design and merchandising. It's part 1 that was about fashion development and fashion merchandising. I shared earlier. You must watch the previous video, that is part 1 of fashion design and merchandising, to understand the fashion cycle better. So let's begin. After watching this video, you will be able to know the fashion cycle, stages of fashion cycle and fashion cycle length. Fashion evolution. In each season, new styles are created by fashion designers for the consumers. Some are rejected immediately by the press or by the buyer on the retail level, while others are accepted for some time with consumer purchasing and wearing them. Maximum of time आपने देखा होगा कि कुछ फैशन आते हैं और वो चलते हैं लंबे समय तक, लोग उसे एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं, अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं और थोड़े टाइम बाद वो फैशन चेंज हो जाता है. कुछ ऐसे भी फैशन होते हैं जो आते हैं और शायद हम तक पहुंचते पहुंचते वो आउट ऑफ फैशन हो जाते हैं. जब तक आप तैयार होगे, अगर मे बी आपको पसंद आ रहा हो ऐसा डिज़ाइन और आप तैयार होते हो कि ये हम ऐसी ड्रेस ले लेते हैं, एंड यू गो टू द मार्केट, दैन शॉपकीपर सेट, ओ नो इट इज़ आउट ऑफ फैशन, सो हमारे पास अभी ये अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड फैशन साइकिल कि एनी प्रोडक्ट कितने लंबे समय तक मार्केट में अवेलेबल है, लोगों द्वारा पसंद किया जा रहा है, और कौन सा ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो कम समय के लिए पसंद किया जा रहा है और कब नया प्रोडक्ट इंट्रोड्यूस होता है मार्केट में. सो लेट्स बिगिन. फैशन साइकिल. द वे इन विच fashion changes is usually described as a fashion cycle or a period of time or lifespan during which the fashion exists, moving through 5 stages from introduction to obsolescence. Fashion cycle, a period of time or lifespan during which the fashion exists, moving through the 5 stages from introduction through obsolescence. When a customer purchases and wears a certain style, that style is considered accepted. It's not necessary that fashion always survive. Fashion do not always survive from year to year. These phases describe the length and the popularity of the particular style. Any style is popular or not. This is described by a fashion cycle. Fashion cycle also acts as an essential lead in fashion merchandising and help the fashion merchant to launch a new style or design. When to launch a new design? For that, fashion cycle is very important to a fashion merchandiser. Now, stages of fashion cycle. There are 5 stages of fashion cycle. Fashion moves through different stages during its life or its cycle of existence. Not only design but special features also go through a cycle, such as color, texture and fabric. I told you earlier that fashion has no limit to the dress only. सिर्फ ड्रेसेस से रिलेटेड नहीं है, ड्रेसेस तक ही इसकी लिमिट नहीं है. It has a vast area. Your accessories which you wear, your shoes, your handbags, hairstyle, all comes in fashion. So there are 5 stages of fashion cycle. First is introduction stage. Second, increase in popularity. Third is peak in popularity. Fourth, decline, and fifth, obsolescence. So let's begin with the first stage. So first stage is introduction of a style. Designer interpreted their research and creative ideas into appeal or accessories and then offer a new style to the public. Clear? Designer interpreted their research and creative ideas into an appeal and accessories and then offer to the new style to the public. Designers create new designs by changing elements such as line, shape, color, fabric and details and their relationship to one another. This is the introduction stage, when a new design is introduced into the market. So what is the salient features of introduction stage? Style and newness. In first stage, fashion has a style and newness. New creations referred to as a latest fashion may not be yet be accepted by anyone. Just it is introduced in the market. At this first stage of cycle, fashion implies only style and newness. Then in this stage, the price of particular fashion will be high. Most new styles are introduced at a high price level. Designers who are globally respected for their talent may be given financial backing and be allowed to design with very few limitations on creativity, quality of the raw material, or amount of fine workmanship. Naturally, production costs are high and only a few people can afford the resulting garments. And product produced in small quantities at the first stage, introduction stage. The production in small quantities give a designer more freedom, flexibility and room for their creativity. So in this stage, fashion just introduced in the market. Either it will be accepted or not. The second stage is defined that. Then the second stage is increase in popularity. If a new style is purchased, worn and seen by many people, it may attract the attention of buyer and press and the public. Means, so in second stage, if it is accepted, then okay. In self-defense, most couture and high-priced designers now have secondary bridge and or diffusion lines that sell at lower price so that they can sell their designs in a greater quantities. So at the second stage, the popularity of a style may further increase through copying or adoption. Just keep this point in mind. At that time, copying is started. Some designers or stylists may modify a popular style to suit the need and price range of their own customer and create a kind of milta julta design, copied design. Some manufacturer may copy it with less expensive fabric and less detail in order to all the style at lower price. So in this stage, fashion is accepted by many pupils. The price is reduced due to high production and duplicate products are in the market, available in the market. Just duplicate products means if you go to the local market and you can buy Kareena Kapoor style dresses, Kareena Kapoor lehenga or Aishwarya Rai dresses at very low price, because fabric is different, workmanship is different, but it is a imitation, it is a duplicate product. Clear? Third stage is peak of popularity or culmination or plateau stage. Very important stage is this. When a fashion is at height of its popularity and use, we can say that it is a stage of mass acceptance as adaptation at many price level. The fashion is adapted at many price level. At this stage, fashion is in such demand that it can be mass produced and mass distributed. It may be in such demand that many manufacturers copy it or produce adaptation, or it may vary at price labels. There are many price labels of same kind of dress. Only it looks same दिखता है but same नहीं होता है. फैब्रिक चेंज होंगे, उसमें जो वर्कमैनशिप होगी, काम किया गया होगा, वो वैरी कर सकता है, लो प्राइस आइटम्स उसमें लगाए जा सकते हैं. सम डिज़ाइनर्स आर फ्लैटर्ड बाय कॉपिंग एंड अदर आर resentful. There is very fine line between adaptations and knock-offs. So here adaptation and knock-off word is used. There is a fine line between them. So what is adaptation? Adaptation is a label, the quality of being adapted. Clear? Adaptation, adjustment, while knock-off is an imitation of something, particularly a well-known product, usually lower in quality and price than the original. So adaptation is called original product and knockoffs is for the imitation products that is lower in quantity than the original product. Now, volume production requires a likelihood of mass acceptance. Therefore, volume manufacturers carefully study sales trends because their customer wants clothes that are the mainstream of fashion. This stage determines if the fashion is here to stay or vanish. It becomes fad or classic. If it stay, then it become classic, and if it vanish out, then it become fad. Here you can see this curve. I will see you later. Just finish. The accumulation stage of a fashion may be extended in 2 years. If fashion become accepted, it is accepted as a classic, and if changes in detail, for example, color, design and texture, there is changes in there, are continually introduced at that time. So just take a look on this fashion curve. This is also a fashion cycle. Here you can see a fashion is introduced into the market. Here fashion is introduced. This is its first stage, beginning stage, and this is the second stage, increase in popularity. If at this stage product cannot reach to the pupil, means people don't accept, don't adapt that product, पसंद नहीं आ रहा उनको, then it is vanish out from the market, then it is called fad. Clear? And if a fashion is adapted by pupil, this is the second stage, third stage, then fourth and last stage, then it is called mainstream fashion. यानी एक फैशन आया और एक पर्टिकुलर 1 to 2 year अपना लाइफ स्पैम वो फिनिश कर गया. And third type of fashion is classic, means it introduced and it is adapted by many pupils every time. लोग उसे पसंद करते हैं, वो मार्केट में है, समटाइम कम क्वांटिटी में, समटाइम ज़्यादा लोग पहन रहे हैं, कभी कम लोग पहन रहे हैं, बट it can't vanish from market and from our wardrobe. Clear? So this is a fashion cycle of fad, mainstream and classic cycle. Fourth stage is decline in popularity. Eventually, so many copies are mass produced that fashion conscious people tired of that style and being to look for something new. So in this stage, new style start coming up and the previous style sees decrease in demand and people refuse to pay high price for that. No longer willing to buy them at regular prices. No one want to buy them at regular prices. Consumers still wear garments in the style, but they are not longer willing to buy them at regular price. So it results then markdown or discount start at that time. The markdown discount start here and the retail store puts such declining style on the sale racks, hoping to make room for a new merchandise and put that item on sale. 30% sale, 40% sale, 50% sale, depending on its demand. And this is the time when a fashion is declining its 4 stages. At that same time, new fashion is introduced. The leading retailers abandon the fashion and start selling new fashion merchandising. So at the 4th stage of any fashion, the new style, new fashion is फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ अ न्यू फैशन, क्योंकि वो डिक्लाइन कंडीशन में जा रहा है, तो जो डिज़ाइनर्स होते हैं वो नया डिज़ाइन मार्केट में लॉन्च कर देते हैं. देन द लास्ट स्टेज, दिस इज ऑब्सोलेंस स्टेज या रिजेक्शन ऑफ योर स्टाइल. In this stage, after the decline, the fashion become outdated or obsolete. The rejection of the style just because it is out of fashion is called consumer obsolescence. Consumer don't want to see the fashion in market and stop buying it. The prices steep slow and the retailers stop restocking that product. In the last phase of fashion cycle, some consumers have already turned to new look. Thus, beginning of new cycle start. As early as 1600, Shakespeare wrote that fashion wears out more apparel than the man. Clear? So, बहुत ही अच्छा लिखा था शेक्सपियर ने. At that time in 1600, in 17th century. So this is the last stage, obsolescence stage. So I hope you understand the stages. One, just recall this fashion cycle, just understand it better. Here is the graph of fashion cycle. X-axis shows time period and y-axis shows sales of that product. Clear? So first innovation stage, then culmination stage, and then declining stage. First introduction stage, fashion is innovators purchase from the retailer who lead fashion, and then rising of fashion is occur. Fashion leaders purchase from traditional retailers in their better department. Then acceleration. Fashion followers purchase from traditional retailers in moderate price department, and after that the mass acceptance of the fashion followers purchase from the mass merchants, and when many pupils start to wear that dress and they fed up of wearing that, then if declining stage is started, the fashion follower may purchase a few items as greatly reduced price from the discounters. And last stage is obsolescence stage, and no one is buying or no one too interesting in buying that product. You can't give it away. Then there is one more thing you must know here, that a fashion cycle length. There is a 4 fashion cycle length: flop cycle, fat cycle, normal cycle, and classic cycle. Flop cycle, fashion just introduced and vanish. Just introduce and vanish. हम शायद मूवीज़ में ही देख पाएंगे या मॉडल्स को ही देख पाते हैं, मार्केट में उस फैशन को हम कभी देख ही नहीं पाते हैं. दैट इज फ्लॉप साइकिल. फैट साइकिल, शॉर्ट एक्सेप्टेंस, पीपल एक्सेप्टेड फॉर अ शॉर्ट टाइम दैट फैशन. देन द नॉर्मल साइकिल, मीडियम एक्सेप्टेंस, अपनी सारी लाइफ साइकिल को वो पूरा करते हुए ऑब्सोलेंस स्टेज पे पहुंच जाता है. एंड द लास्ट स्टेज इज क्लासिक cycle. Next length is classic length. It is continuing acceptance. Here you can say by dotted line. Decline stage नहीं आ रही है, मे बी अप एंड डाउन चलेंगे, बट ऑब्सोलेंस स्टेज कभी नहीं आती है. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड क्लासिक साइकिल. I hope you understand the fashion cycle, as all human beings have, all living thing have its cycle, and non-living thing also have its life cycle. आप कोई भी सामान लेते हो, पर्टिकुलर टाइम तक चल के वो खराब हो जाता है. सेम ऐसे ही फैशन साइकिल है. So I think you understand this. There is a review question for you. Just write down, identify and explain the various stages of fashion cycle. Question 2, what is peak in fashion? Third, what does the second stage of fashion cycle signify? Fourth, differentiate between the second and third stage of fashion cycle. And question number 5, write the main features of the introduction stage of fashion cycle. Here one word is used, peak in fashion. The third stage, the peak in popularity. At that time, if you can see the fashion cycle, maximum people wear this dresses, पीक पे होता है, सो दैट इट इज कॉल्ड अ पीक स्टेज. इस समय फैशन अपने पीक पे होता है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फैशन साइकिल. I hope you like the video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press bell button. Thanks for watching video and don't forget to watch its part 1 and another part 3 and 4. Thank you so much.